our USD Swiss franc. By the way, we actually got our prediction for yesterday right. What we predicted, that we will be seeing a bullish move on our USD Swiss franc. Yesterday we actually saw the movement, and which gave us at least about 60 pips. We were able to move about 60, close to 60 pips about that yesterday, which was actually a good pace to grab. Now today we're actually still going bullish, and we would want to be going bullish for this week to hit our 0.9682. 0.9682. That is exactly what we are aiming to hit. But currently we are at 0.9605. 0.9605. So we are aiming to grab, more about 60, 81 pips left to grab, because yesterday we had about 60 pips. We are still have about plus probably close to 90 pips more to grab for this week. So we are actually going bullish on our USD Swiss franc. Our USD is actually indicating a bullish move. With our index is showing a bullish move. And guess what? On our 4-hour time frame, same thing. As you can see, our price is about to change direction. On our 4-hour time frame, we can analyze it. We are seeing an uptrend move upward, which is small, little show, it's showing little. We saw a push up, a pull back. We saw higher highs. We saw the higher lows, right? Guess what? We are aiming to get our higher highs now. Our price is aiming to break above it, because London section has not yet opened, New York section has not yet opened. You can see we are still at the Sydney and the Tokyo section. So probably on our London section we should actually get that movement, or probably our price should have broken above this our previous higher highs. So we are aiming to grab on our 4-hour time frame, which is on our USD Swiss franc, and our 1-hour time frame. We are still waiting price to break above it. Then maybe that would be a good opportunity to actually not take your buy position. And if you want to take your buy position, it is actually not still bad, it is still good, because above all we are aiming to hit our 0.96824 for this week. So that is our analysis for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.